Students, today I am going to explain the chapter algebra. So that is the 11th chapter. So here what is algebra? So in order to make you understand that, first of all I am going to explain one example. So that is what, suppose two brothers are there. So two brothers are there. So if first brother is having, so that means here, so one brother is having like some chocolates they are having, and then another one also is having the chocolates. So you don't know what exactly the number is. So in that case what you'll do, just you assume that this boy is having, the first brother is having x number of chocolates, and then this one some chocolates. So here if you don't know the number of chocolates, but you all know is the younger brother, that means the brother who is small is having one chocolate, it is less compared to first one. So first brother, this person is having one chocolate more, and this person is having, you all know is what, only one condition, that is the person here it is having, he or she is having one less chocolate. So in that case what you'll do, you don't know the particular number, so that you assume that, we assume that the person is having x number of chocolates, first brother is having x number of chocolates, we'll assume, and then what you'll do, so you can take it, this person is having one less chocolate, so that you can write it as x minus 1 number of chocolates. So if I name this as A and B, two brothers, so A and B, so then A is having x number of chocolates if I assume, then obviously B is having how many number of chocolates, x minus 1 number of chocolates he'll have. So that means here what this one, so this x is nothing but a variable, is nothing but variable we are saying, means we don't know the exact variable, so that we are exact number, so that we are assuming that with a number, variable. So here what we are doing, all we are doing is we are generalizing the relationship. So we are generalizing the relationship here. So we make use of, to generalize the relationship, we are making use of variables here. Okay. So this is the concept. So now we are going to see that what actually the algebra is. Okay. Now we are going to see that what actually the algebra means. So here what is the, it is given a branch of mathematics in which it is nothing but a branch of mathematics in which what we are using here, so branch of mathematics, here variables we are using, so in which letters or symbols are used, letters or symbols are used to represent what? To represent the number of quantities or else numbers. Represent numbers or quantity. Okay. So that means that's what here we did. So what we did here, so here number of chocolates we are assuming it as x number of chocolates, that means this x is nothing but the alphabet na. So we can use the alphabet or else we can use the symbols. Letters or symbols means a branch of mathematics in which letters or symbols are used to represent the numbers or quantity, in which, so what is that, in the formulae or equations. So in formulae and equations, formulae and equations to help the problem solving, to help the problem solving. That means what we are representing, it is a branch of mathematics in which letters or symbols are used to represent numbers or quantity in the formulae or equations to help the problem solve, means or to solve the problem. So here what we are doing here, x number of chocolates he is having, means he is having x number of chocolates, means how many chocolates this bee is having. So that what we are doing here, ma? We are representing with the alphabet x and then x minus 1. So that means what representing here, what is the symbol we used? Minus. Why? Because one less it is there. If one more if it is there means what you'll use? We use the symbol it is plus. So whatever it may be, whatever the algebraic operations we are using here and then symbols also we are using. So it is a branch of mathematics in which letters or symbols used to represent numbers or quantity. So here we are using the numbers or quantity and in the form of the formula or else equation. So this is nothing but an expression actually. So in the form of equation or else formula we can use it. Okay.